how we doing? Right, following little clip is a video I'll take with just testing out the new DJI Mavic Mini. It's a little 249 gram drone. It's had some really good reviews. It's one of the best you can get on the market for that's under 250 grams. Mind you, it does cost you around 350 quid upwards depending where you buy it from. It's a successful little test. I didn't mean to do it in the rain. I came out, it wasn't raining, and now it is. So I just thought I'd give it a quick flight, get used to controls before I use it in some videos. So yeah, as drone wise, I've had a look at the laws, and the CAA, Civil Aviation Authority, say that if a drone weighs between 250 grams and 20 kilos, you need to apply for a license to fly one, fly a drone and a model plane. Well, this drone weighs 249 grams, so you don't have to bother with a license. I did get a license anyway, and it was absolutely free as a user. It's all done online. It takes about it took about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Read some information first, answer 20 multiple choice questions, and they'll send you a license registration, which is probably worth getting anyway if you're going to fly one in public, because it tells you about what you can and can't do, like not flying it too close to houses and crowds of people and stuff like that. So yeah, well, it's worth doing anyway as it's free. And then if you want to be an owner operator of a bigger drone, I think it costs £9 a year, which isn't bad at all, and that allows you to fly model planes and things as well as drones. So well worth doing, even if it's just to look into to get the relevant legal information you need. So good bit of fun. I'll stick some footage up and just show you what it is, what you get for your money.